Want to create videos but feel overwhelmed? You're not alone. Video creation is easier than you think. In just 1 minute, we'll show you how to start making engaging videos effortlessly. First, gather your tools. You need a smartphone or camera, good lighting, and editing software. Don't overthink it. You can use apps that are user-friendly. Next, plan your content. What story do you want to tell? Keep it simple and relatable. Think about your audience and what interests them. Now, let's record. Find a quiet space with good lighting. Film your footage in small sections. Talk naturally and smile. You can always retake if you make a mistake. After recording, it's time to edit. Use your editing software to cut out mistakes. Add music and graphics for flair. Keep it engaging, but don't overcrowd your video. Let's look at an example. Imagine you want to share a recipe. Show the ingredients first, then each step visually. This keeps your audience engaged and informed. To sum up, video creation is all about having fun. Gather your tools, plan your content, record effortlessly, and edit skillfully. Ready to dive into video creation? Grab your smartphone and start filming today. Your story deserves to be shared.